由于，由于，由于。
due to, because, since,
Due to. Because. Since.
由于家庭经济困难，他放弃了上大学的机会。由于家庭经济困难，他放弃了上大学的机会。由于家庭经济困难，他放弃了上大学的机会。
Due to family financial difficulties, he gave up the opportunity to go to college.
Due to family financial difficulties, he gave up the opportunity to go to college.
由于他迷上了电子游戏，他的成绩退步了。由于他迷上了电子游戏，他的成绩退步了。由于他迷上了电子游戏，他的成绩退步了。
Because he became obsessed with video games, his grades declined.
Because he became obsessed with video games, his grades declined.
由于这家餐厅的食物很好吃，所以生意非常好。由于这家餐厅的食物很好吃，所以生意非常好。由于这家餐厅的食物很好吃，所以生意非常好。
Since the food in this restaurant is delicious, the business is very good.
Since the food in this restaurant is delicious, the business is very good.
比如，比如，比如。
Such as.
Such as.
避免饮用含糖饮料，比如碳酸饮料、果汁、调味咖啡等。避免饮用含糖饮料，比如碳酸饮料、果汁、调味咖啡等。避免饮用含糖饮料，比如碳酸饮料、果汁、调味咖啡等。
Avoid sugary drinks, such as carbonated drinks, juices, flavored coffee, etc.
Avoid sugary drinks, such as carbonated drinks, juices, flavored coffee, etc.
选择健康的零食，比如坚果、新鲜水果、酸奶等。选择健康的零食，比如坚果、新鲜水果、酸奶等。选择健康的零食，比如坚果、新鲜水果、酸奶等。
Choose healthy snacks such as nuts, fresh fruit, yogurt, etc.
Choose healthy snacks such as nuts, fresh fruit, yogurt, etc.
低热量食物，比如蘑菇、芦笋、白萝卜、苦瓜、西红柿等都是很好的选择。低热量食物，比如蘑菇、芦笋、白萝卜、苦瓜、西红柿等都是很好的选择。低热量食物，比如蘑菇、芦笋、白萝卜、苦瓜、西红柿等都是很好的选择。
Low-calorie foods, such as mushrooms, asparagus, white radish, bitter melon, tomatoes, etc. are all good choices.
Low-calorie foods, such as mushrooms, asparagus, white radish, bitter melon, tomatoes, etc. are all good choices.
橡皮，橡皮，橡皮。
Rubber. Eraser.
Rubber. Eraser.
橡皮擦可以擦掉铅笔痕迹。橡皮擦可以擦掉铅笔痕迹。橡皮擦可以擦掉铅笔痕迹。
An eraser can erase pencil marks.
An eraser can erase pencil marks.
你能借我橡皮擦吗？你能借我橡皮擦吗？你能借我橡皮擦吗？
Can you lend me an eraser?
Can you lend me an eraser?
橡皮擦有各种各样的形状和色彩。橡皮擦有各种各样的形状和色彩。橡皮擦有各种各样的形状和色彩。
Erasers come in a variety of shapes and colors.
Erasers come in a variety of shapes and colors.
糖，糖，糖，
sugar,
Sugar.
吃太多糖会导致肥胖，吃太多糖会导致肥胖，吃太多糖会导致肥胖，
eating too much sugar can lead to obesity.
Eating too much sugar can lead to obesity.
自己做饭可以完全控制食物中的糖分，自己做饭可以完全控制食物中的糖分，自己做饭可以完全控制食物中的糖分，
Cooking your own meals gives you complete control over the sugar in your food.
Cooking your own meals gives you complete control over the sugar in your food.
为了身体健康，减少含糖饮料并改用无糖饮料。为了身体健康，减少含糖饮料并改用无糖饮料。为了身体健康，减少含糖饮料并改用无糖饮料。
For good health, cut back on sugary drinks and switch to sugar-free drinks.
For good health, cut back on sugary drinks and switch to sugar-free drinks.
低，低，低，
Low,
Low.
收入低，必须省吃俭用才能维持生活。收入低，必须省吃俭用才能维持生活。收入低，必须省吃俭用才能维持生活。
with a low income, one must live frugally to maintain life.
With a low income, one must live frugally to maintain life.
冬季气温低，夏季气温高。冬季气温低，夏季气温高。冬季气温低，夏季气温高。
The temperature is low in winter and high in summer.
The temperature is low in winter and high in summer.
多吃高蛋白、低脂肪和低热量的食物，对身体有好处。多吃高蛋白、低脂肪和低热量的食物，对身体有好处。多吃高蛋白、低脂肪和低热量的食物，对身体有好处。
Eating more high protein, low fat and low calorie foods is good for your body.
Eating more high protein, low fat and low calorie foods is good for your body.
答案，答案，答案。
Answer.
Answer.
这个问题的答案你找到了吗？这个问题的答案你找到了吗？这个问题的答案你找到了吗？
Have you found the answer to this question?
Have you found the answer to this question?
这个问题太难了，我找不到答案。这个问题太难了，我找不到答案。这个问题太难了，我找不到答案。
This question is so difficult that I can't find the answer.
This question is so difficult that I can't find the answer.
他的答案正确。他的答案正确。他的答案正确。
His answer is correct.
His answer is correct.
谢谢观看。